Today, we're going to look at what you have lying around the house that you can use to clean the white lettering on your tyres. G'day. Today we're going to take a look at 4 different household cleaning products that you can use for cleaning the white writing on your tyres. So if you've got a 4-wheel drive, you might have the white lettering on the outside. You know it ends up looking brown and daggy after a little while, in a couple of weeks through to a couple of months, and you've got to give it a clean, and it can be a pain in the ass. So the first one was that someone actually recommended a pressure washer to me yesterday, or the other day, and I hit it yesterday and that didn't do anything. So I'm thinking I've got a scrubber here, which is what I usually use, stiff bristle brush. I've got some Solvol, which is like a sandy soap. I've got some, these are basically pads that are a mixture of steel wool and soap, which are also called SOS pads in the US. And I've got some petrol. So we're going to see which is going to clean it faster. So I've just spent a little bit of time cleaning the white lettering on the car, and I can safely say whoever on the forum said that used petrol, it's bullshit. Next best was the steel wool, which was a bit of a pain in the ass and didn't do a very good job. So Solvol actually did a really good job. It got nice and clean. It just took longer. But the star of the show was actually the bristle brush. It's just a good stiff bristle brush. I think it was only a couple of minutes and it actually got it done. So, and it's really, really white, like basically as white as the Solvol, but we didn't have soap and shit getting everywhere. So, and this was also just with water. So if you're using it with a bit of CT18 or some actually good soap, then probably even better. So there you have it, folks. The best things to clean your white tyre lettering with at home. So that's what we found out, but what's your recipe? Do you use something you buy from the shop, or is it something else from home? Just let us know in the comments down there. Thanks, folks.